Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw very simple pixel art picture. I will draw for you this Sacura Blossom Branch. This very nice, small and colorful picture. And I take 7 felt pens. Black, brown, violet, yellow, pink, light green and dark green. So let's go drawing. Firstly, I take black felt pen and I will start my drawing from the bottom part of the picture. From the left corner of the picture, I should skip 7 boxes. And now I should paint over 3 boxes up by black. Now go diagonally to the right and color in 3 boxes up by black. From this box, skip 1 box to the right and color in 2 boxes up. And from this box, go diagonally and color in 1 box. Now I take brown felt pen and from this box, go diagonally to the left and color in 2 boxes horizontally. From this box, skip 1 box to the left and painting over 2 boxes horizontally. Now from this box, skip 2 boxes up and painting over 2 boxes horizontally here. And again skip 2 boxes up and painting over 2 boxes horizontally here. From this box, skip 2 boxes up, painting 2 boxes horizontally here. And from this box, skip 2 boxes up and painting over 2 boxes horizontally here. Now we should paint 2 boxes vertically here, 2 boxes here, and 2 boxes vertically here. And here 2 boxes, 2 boxes here, and 2 boxes vertically here. It's first flower. Now I take violet felt pen and I will draw the same flower. From this box, go up and painting over 2 boxes horizontally here. Skip 2 boxes up and painting over 2 boxes horizontally here. And skip 2 boxes up and painting 2 boxes horizontally here. From this box, skip 1 box to the right and painting over 2 boxes horizontally here. Skip 2 boxes up and painting 2 boxes horizontally here. And skip 2 boxes up and painting over 2 boxes here. Now from this box, go diagonally and painting over 2 boxes vertically here. 2 boxes here. Here 2 boxes. Here 2 boxes. Now 2 boxes vertically here. Skip 1 box up and painting over 2 boxes vertically here. Now I take brown felt pen again and I will draw the same flower here. From this box, go up and painting over 2 boxes horizontally here. Skip 2 boxes up, painting 2 boxes here. And skip 2 boxes up and painting 2 boxes here. Now from this box, skip 1 box to the right and color in 2 boxes here. Skip 2 boxes up, color in 2 boxes horizontally here. And skip 2 boxes up and color in 2 boxes here. Here we should color 2 boxes vertically. Skip 1 box up and color in 2 boxes vertically here. Now here 2 boxes. And skip 1 box up, here 2 boxes. Now 2 boxes vertically here we should color. And 2 boxes here. Now I take yellow felt pen and color in this box, and this box. Now I take pink felt pen and color in this box, this and this by pink. Here I should painting over these 3 boxes, here 3 boxes, here 3 boxes and these 3 boxes. And here in this flower I should paint over these 3 boxes, these 3 boxes, these 3 boxes, and here 3 boxes. And now coloring. Now I take a green felt pen, dark green, and we should draw leaves. Here from this box go to the right and color in 3 boxes here. 1 box diagonally to the right, and go diagonally coloring 2 boxes up. Here turn to the left, coloring 2 boxes to the left. Go diagonally down, coloring 1 box. And 1 more box diagonally. From this brown box we should go diagonally and color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the left, coloring 3 boxes up. Turn into the right, coloring 1 box here. And go diagonally down, coloring 2 boxes down. From this violet box we should go diagonally and coloring 3 boxes to the left horizontally. Go diagonally to the left, coloring 2 boxes up. Here turn into the right, coloring 2 boxes to the right. Go diagonally down and coloring 1 box. And from this brown box go diagonally to the right, coloring 1 box here. Go diagonally to the right, coloring 3 boxes to the right. Go down, coloring 1 box. Go diagonally to the left and coloring 2 boxes to the left. And now I take light green felt pen and coloring these white boxes, these 2 boxes, these 2 boxes, and these 2 boxes by light green. That's all, I finished my drawing. As you see, it's very simple, very nice, small and colorful picture. If you enjoyed my video and liked my picture, please give me your likes under the video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, bye bye!